Okay, Marge is already in here. This is room 8, and it's like, look, if you need to write a book, if you need to run away, and you need this treehouse view, I mean, look behind me, right? I mean, it's just so good. It's so good. It's so good. Room 8, I hope, like I'm pounding on the door, I hope you come and write a book and like mention room 8. It's so good in here. Do you think it's your favorite room? It might not be my favorite, but it's my favorite room for writing a book.
It's favorite room for hiding out, writing a book.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. I mean, it's so good. So come on in, and I'm going to close this door because it's also toasty warm in here. It's February 1st, and
it's warm in here.
It is so warm in here. And what I don't even know where to start. So it's this little suite, and you've got your own bathroom. You've got a place to sit. You've got
a skylight that you can see the
skylight
stars from the bed.
I have slept in this room.
Could you see?
And you can see the stars. I mean,
okay.
It was, well, I slept in here in a full moon.
Oh.
And it just, and I was nude.
Okay.
More than you needed to know.
Under the moonlight.
Right, I did. I got to sleep here nude under the moonlight, and it just comes cascading because it's right there, and then it flows right onto this bed.
Oh,
so
sounds pretty magical.
Yes, if you are a full moon lover, meow.
And there's a skylight in the bathroom.
Oh, so that's right. That's the other thing.
That's what you have, that light, so it's not dark in there.
And it's just, oh. And what I liked about this is also that for whatever reason, this was really easy to prop up and read. So I did a lot of journaling in here. I did a lot of reading in here. It has its own refrigerator, which I did use.
This actually has a big fridge.
Yeah.
So it's kind of made for...
I think it has a big fridge, but it also has this little thing, which I liked this little thing. And I also like... Yes, we should hide some treasures in here.
Yeah, really.
I think I have a treasure idea, but you get to read all the stories of people.
The screen that fell off.
Oh, is it?
To be a screen door.
So I literally sat here and read everybody here, and here it is. I did not plan this opening, but here it says, "Love the stars at night."
There you go.
Told you, I'm not making it up. Room diaries don't lie.
Room 8.
Room 8. So this is room 8, and this has also, I think, softened since you got it. What were the changes that you made?
The whole bedding thing, I think, was the main thing, and then lamps and tables. Everything did not have a good bedside table, bedside lamp. Which made me crazy.
And that...
Because you need a reading lamp.
You need a reading lamp.
Lamp over your shoulder. Light over your shoulder.
And...
Even if I don't read and only look at my phone, that's me. I read for years. She's like,
I used to read. And there's this little step up. So you really do kind of feel like you're going into a suite. And it's got that pocket door. So you can have a beautiful bath in here. I did bathe in this bathroom.
Oh,
and it's actually quite, it actually keeps you quite warm.
Good.
And we have hot water here.
Yes, we do.
Like, it's not just warm, it is hot.
In fact, somebody set off the smoke alarm. That was you.
It was not me.
It wasn't you, but when you
I was
were
here. They set off the smoke alarm.
Took a long
hot shower
until the steam set off the alarm.
Yeah. So good news. You're safe here. You're safe here.
All the alarms work.
All the alarms work. But this tub I also really like. And I like it because, again, you can kind of be in this own little space. So when you're in here, you have this big tub. You've got this fabulous skylight, right? And a mirror and this space. But I like this little cozy bit here.
There's room to put all your junk.
Yeah. Well, but you can also sit in here and talk to somebody while they're bathing. I guess Marge doesn't have guests when she's bathing. I guess there's that.
Ever.
Ever. You've never bathed with another person watching? are talking to you?
I don't think so. I got to think about this. No, I don't think so.
Really?
But the last Airbnb I was at, I was afraid I was not going to make it out of the tub. It was terrible.
Right.
So, it was a horrible feeling.
But you can see
you had
how good
that could pull you out. Great.
Okay, well there's more trivia. That'll be in the next video. So you've got this beautiful light up here. So you don't ever feel claustrophobic up here because of how much I love all of the angles and the light.
Don't die, do they?
These ladybugs, yes. Oh, there's a ladybug.
Get the ladybug, Nigel.
No, don't eat that. Don't eat. She's trying to feed the dog bugs. Okay, well, this is room 8. I hope you pick this room. I hope that you get to be here because it is just, it's just this sweet. It's as sweet as you think it is. Nigel is so excited that we're letting him go with us today. But he is kind of standing at that door going, what's Marge going to do?
Yeah.
What's Marge going to do?
Can I get out of here?
Yeah. What's happening? What's happening? So, yeah, this is the innkeeper tour of what life is like when we don't have a whole house full of guests. But look at, I mean, that's a lot of seating. And so you never feel cramped in this room.
No.
And I really like the changes. So there's a lamp here, right, in the picture. There's 2 more lamps over here.
There'll be a real...
And then there's an overhead light with this, and then you have the skylights, and then you have, so this room is so dramatic in the amount of ways that you can be in here and really feel change. Now, this is another room I would spend a week or a month in.
I could see this for a week, month. I don't know. Yeah.
The other one is just bigger, but if you can use the kitchen, and this opens up, and you have the deck.
I gotta get a screen door on there.
Yeah, so
summer.
We are in agreement on a week.
Going to get a screen door.
We are in agreement on a week in this room. I could personally do this for a month, but we'll see. We'll see what you pick.